Hey guys, how you doing? Yeah, this is the first time I am uploading two videos on the same day, and it's pretty exciting because I had some other stuff to do, so I was not able to upload a lot of videos in the past few days. But yeah, this is the first time actually on this channel that I'm uploading two videos in the same day. Alright, so the thing is that in today's video, I'm going to open a few packs. So, the thing is that after the update, the game has a lot of interesting stuff. There are new characters, there are new equipment cards. Now we have Shiba Ryu towers. So this game has become a lot interesting than it was earlier. But today I'm not going to open any packs to get characters, but instead I'm opening equipment pack. The reason behind it is because I believe that there are a lot of new equipments and I want to get them. So that's the only reason why I'm opening this equipment pack today. So without wasting any time, let's begin. And I hope I find some rare good equipment. Alright. What actually I missed? I wanted to see the chances of getting the equipment, rare equipment. Alright, there is no notch on it, so it's a new equipment card that I'm going to get now. It's a new card. There is no notch. Oh, actually it has reached to its max level. So the thing is that if there is a notch, that means you have it, the card, and it's not yet maxed. And if there is no notch, that means that this is a new card or it has been already maxed out, so you have to sell it. Alright, so there are 2% chances of getting Wrath Hammer, 15% chances of getting a rare equipment card, so basically 17% chances of getting some good equipment cards. So I think I'm going to open around 10 to 12 of these equipment pack, and I've got enough coins for it, so no need to worry. Alright, second one. Alright, there we go. A rare equipment card. Jason. I don't have this character though, but I got the equipment card, so that's pretty good. And again, there is no notch, so I guess it's maxed out. Yeah, as I said. Because I already got one rare card, and it's not possible to get two of them in the same pack. Alright, this is maxed. Again. Alright, two in a row. Two rare equipment cards in a row. So as you already know that there are also new brutalities that has been added into the game for Liu Kang, Jade. So in order to do those brutalities, you need those equipment cards. So that is why I am trying to get those equipment cards, and if I get it, then obviously there is no one that will be happy than I am. Alright, this is a new one. Shaolin Bow, and these two will be maxed, as I said. How many packs did I open? I think 4. No, I think 5. I think I opened 5 of them. I lost count. Do you guys know? Alright, there you go. Again. So that's, I guess, 4 in a row. 4 equipment cards in a row. It's pretty good. Alright, it's more than just pretty good. Actually, this card was a new one. hope I get Wrath Hammer, because I think I don't have it. No, I don't have it. Is this a rare card again? No. Come on, give me Wrath Hammer. I need Wrath Hammer. Alright. Yeah, Johnny Cage. There is a challenge going on for this guy. And I've already completed the hard level and about to complete the elder one. Uncommon. Nice. Again. And I believe this one is maxed. Yes, as I said. Now we have opened 8 of these packs, I guess. 8 or 9. I'm going to open 3 more, including this, and then I'll stop. Because I don't think that I'm going to get Wrath Hammer today. I don't feel lucky. You know, the chances are also pretty low, you know, just 2%. So guys, you know, I am going to save enough souls to, you know, open the Terminator pack. So we have that in the store, and the cost of the pack is, as you know, 400 souls, and I think the pack will be there in the store for 5 days now. So I'm going to do another pack opening. If I am able to collect 1800 souls in a week, which is quite possible. Alright, this is a new one. This goes for Tremor. Alright guys, so this pack opening was not that bad. I got a few rare equipment cards. I was hoping that I would get a Wrath Hammer, so I'll just open this last one and then I'll stop. Alright, let's see if I get Wrath Hammer. Nope. Alright then guys, it was really good opening these packs. Let's see. I have a few epic equipment cards, 6 of them, and then I have also some pretty good fusion of a lot of rare equipments, as you can see, and I believe 1, 2, yes, I have received 2 rare equipment which I did not had before this, which is pretty good actually. Alright, so this pack opening was not a loss. It was a good pack opening and I got a lot of good equipment cards out of it. Alright guys, so if you want to do something like this on your account, and if you want to get it featured on YouTube, and you want everyone to see your account, you know, if you want me to play a few matches, just send me an email. The email is mentioned below in the description, and I'll do a specific video featuring your account, and yeah, hopefully try to get you famous on YouTube. Yeah. Alright, so thanks for watching guys. That's it for today's video. Just make sure that you subscribe if you are new to the channel, and give it a like if you liked it. Alright then guys, be safe. Thank you.